Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the error 4, which is the dirty cliff sensors in your ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge. So actually the first thing you need to remember is that you need to prepare yourself the microfiber cloth. As you can see, this is the one that I will be using. I mean, you don't really need to have the microfiber cloth, but it's required to have soft cloth without any waters, etc. And now, once you have it here, you need to clean the cliff sensors. Cliff sensors are not only the leaders one here, these black things, for example here and on the edges, but let me first show you. But at first we need to just clean using these cloth, these sensors over here. Clean these dark areas. These are the LiDAR sensors. Clean this very detailedly and correctly. As you can see here, we do have erased that. Another one, it's, as you can see, dirty, but that's not it, of course. That's not only it. And here they have the third one. So this is for this edge. I think this edge sensors. But if you turn your vacuum upside down, you can see cliff sensors. Here, 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 and here. Clean this with the microfiber cloth too, without any force, of course, but try to clean this as correct as possible, and you'll be good to go. And that's how to fix this cliff sensor on the direct carpets. Goodbye!